Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I am Zikrina Hakimi bin Mahmud from SMK Agama Sarato, code YRA2201. Today, I had selected 5 books. Those are Cards on the Table, Cat Among the Pigeons, 5 Little Pigs, Murder in Mesopotamia, and lastly, the ABC Murders. Out of 5 of them, I decided to pick Cards on the Table. As you can see, the book was written by an author named Agatha Christie and it was published by Great Britain. The book was first published in 1930, which follows an old retired policeman named Hercule Poirot. First, let me introduce some characters such as Hercule Poirot, Mrs. Oliver, Superintendent Battle, Colonel Reyes, Miss Meredith, Miss Lorimer, Major Despard, and Dr. Robert. And before I forgot, Mr. Shaitana. Now, let me go through the story for a little bit. At the start of the story, Hercule Poirot met a flamboyant party host named Shaitana. He invited him to his party at his palace, which he described as an exhibition of tigers. Though he isn't willing, he decided to go to the party as he is very curious when Shaitana said that he will invite some tigers. This part got me very curious as a reader because the tiger that the writer mentioned here is explained as murderers. So to make it simple, Shaitana was inviting some murderers to his party. Arriving at Shaitana's palace, he was greeted by a butler who allowed him in. Inside Shaitana's palace, he was greeted by Mr. Shaitana, and Mr. Shaitana introduced him to guests that already arrived. Those are Superintendent Battle, Colonel Reyes, and Mrs. Oliver. This part made me suspect those that I already trusted because Superintendent Battle and Colonel Reyes already appeared in other books before. At the same time, I also suspected Mrs. Oliver as she is a new character that just appeared. Later, 4 more guests arrived that were introduced as Dr. Robert, Major Despard, Miss Meredith, and Mrs. Lorimer. Now I trust nobody due to Mr. Shaitana's remark at the start. I think this is how the writer want to portray Poirot's feelings at the party, as he feel like he can't trust anybody. After greeting all of his guests, Mr. Shaitana invited them to have a dinner with him. At the dinner, Mr. Shaitana made a remark that some of the guests here might be a murderer. Poirot felt that some guests might be were uncomfortable by the remark and some were shivering as if their deepest secret were out. After dinner, Mr. Shaitana brought his guests to a room with a fireplace where a game of bridge was prepared, and a door to the other room where another game of bridge was also prepared. Then he let his guests to play. For the room with the fireplace, the player there were Dr. Robert, Major Despard, Miss Lorimer, and Miss Meredith, while the rest played in the other room. As the game was going smoothly, Mr. Shaitana decided to rest by the fireplace and smile as his party was a blast. A few minutes later, he dozed off. At midnight, Poirot's group finished the game with Colonel Reyes and Poirot achieving the win. During this segment, I'm kinda worried since the suspense is too great to ignore. Like, think about it. You're at a party with murderers that you don't know who, where, and here you are playing a bridge with other guests as if nothing is wrong. After that, they exited the room and saw that the other guests were still playing. Colonel Reyes and Poirot went to Mr. Shaitana's direction, while Miss Lorimer, Miss Oliver, and Superintendent Battle watched the game. As Colonel Reyes announced his departure to Mr. Shaitanas, he felt something was wrong as Mr. Shaitanas didn't respond with anything like a nod, and his sleeping position was very weird. So he decided to inspect closely. Poirot noticed it too and followed it from behind. At this moment, both of them discovered a stab mark at his chest. Checking his pulse, Colonel Reyes found no beating. Superintendent Battle saw them in distress and asked them what was wrong, only to be greeted by the news of Mr. Shaitanas' death. Superintendent Battle announced the death to the undergrads, and their reaction were a mix of shock and disbelief. Police were called and it was announced as murder. Many other things happened later in the novel, such as betrayal and even another murder, but let me close my speech here. I really recommend Agatha Christie's book because the book were really well written and the plot were really good. I would also recommend buying the book for yourself even though it is a little expensive. That's all from me. Thank you.